Greetings and welcome to Defense and Politics. In today's video, we discuss a major shift in the Middle East's defense landscape, Iraq replacing its aging F-16 fleet with Pakistan's JF-17 Thunder. We'll analyze the reasons behind this deal, the comparison between JF-17 and F-16, and the broader geopolitical implications. Background of the deal. After 2 years of diplomatic discussions, Iraq has officially signed a deal with Pakistan to acquire JF-17 Thunder fighter jets. Iraq joins a growing list of nations, including Malaysia, Nigeria, Azerbaijan, and Myanmar, in acquiring this aircraft. The deal is rumored to include 12 JF-17 Block III fighters for approximately $664 million. Why is Iraq replacing F-16s? Iraq's F-16s have become non-operational due to several factors. Lack of spare parts and maintenance. Due to political tensions, the US has been reluctant to provide Iraq with necessary support. Shortage of trained personnel. Iraq has struggled to retain skilled pilots and technicians. Aging aircraft. The F-16s require extensive maintenance, which Iraq has been unable to keep up with. Initially, Iraq considered Russian aircraft, but US sanctions on Russia's defense industry made this option difficult. Comparison: JF-17 vs. F-16. Size and role. Both are multi-role fighter aircraft, but JF-17 is slightly smaller and lighter. Avionics and technology. The JF-17 Block III features modern avionics, including an advanced radar and digital cockpit display. Weapon systems. JF-17 has a versatile weapons package, including air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles. Cost-effectiveness. JF-17 is significantly cheaper to acquire and maintain compared to F-16s. Why JF-17 for Iraq? A more modern aircraft compared to Iraq's aging F-16s, equipped with advanced avionics and a diverse weapons system. Lower cost of acquisition and maintenance. Provides Iraq with a sustainable air defense capability without reliance on US support. About JF-17 Thunder, developed jointly by Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, PAC, and China's Chengdu Aircraft Corporation, CAC. Lightweight, single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft. Maximum speed, Mach 1. 6. Combat radius of 1,350 kilometers. Cost, estimated $25 to $30 million per unit, making it an attractive choice for countries with limited defense budgets. Proven combat record in various operations and international airshows. Geopolitical implications. Strengthening of Pakistan-Iraq defense relations. A potential shift in the balance of power in the Middle East. Possible further deals between Pakistan and other Middle Eastern nations. Reduces Iraq's reliance on Western military aid and support. Conclusion: Iraq's deal with Pakistan marks a significant milestone for the JF-17 program and highlights the growing importance of indigenous defense production. The transition from F-16 to JF-17 could set a precedent for other nations facing similar challenges with Western military hardware. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think JF-17 is the right choice for Iraq? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Defense and Politics for more insightful defense analysis. Outro. Stay tuned for more updates on global defense and strategic affairs. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.